welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix all videos saying unable on YouTube. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your YouTube shows that and the videos are enabled, so you just follow this video. First of all guys, you disable your ad blocker. So guys, you go for the extensions option in your browser. So here is your extension and go for the manage extension, and if you find any ad blocker, so guys please change it. Sorry, changing it means you just remove it. First thing. Second thing is guys, you test in the incognito mode. For testing the incognito mode, you just go here and open in the incognito mode. If YouTube is perfectly work in the incognito mode, so guys, now related with your caches. For this, simply again open your settings in your browser. Go for the settings. In the settings section guys, history. So sorry, the history option is directly available, so you just go and open history page where you click the option of delete browsing data. After that, here you select your all browsing data, cache and your download history and delete it. Okay, so this is the first thing you can do. And guys, you also change the video quality. Sometimes the low or higher video quality that not supported on your screen, so that's why it shows. Okay, also make sure that the video is not to be deleted. Maybe the channel or person deleted the video. Okay, so you also follow this. And the last thing is guys, check your internet connection. Sometimes the slow internet connection also creates this type of issues. So these are the basic things that you can try. And the last thing is you restart your system. Okay, so guys, simple restart can also resolve these minor glitches. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.